I'm Ryan O'Clavin with your Diz Daily Fix for Friday, June 1st, 2018. Here is what's happening today. First up, some Run Disney news. They have provided an update on race registration and announced the 2018 through 2019 sale dates. Guests will soon be able to register for races by using their Disney account in order to create a more seamless experience, which is pretty cool. Additionally, guests will be able to register multiple participants at a time. Extra payment options, including gift cards and more, will also be available. The revised registration dates for the 2018 through 2019 Walt Disney World race events weekends can be found in our article at wdwinfo.com if you would like to check that out. Next up, we shared earlier this month that the minivan service is available at all Walt Disney World Resort hotels. Well, now it's been announced that today that service has been made available for everyone at Walt Disney World Resort through the Lyft app. Simply download the free Lyft app from the App Store on your mobile device and open it from anywhere at the Walt Disney World Resort, then select the minivan service option. It's a little more expensive than an Uber, but some families like to ride around in that polka dot van, so more power to you. The service is currently available between 6:30 a.m. and 12:30 a.m., but it's obviously subject to change, so that is that. Now, next, when Pirates of the Caribbean reopens at Disneyland Park next month, which is actually this month in June, and less than a week from now, actually, I believe, it looks like it's not only going to have the new Redhead, but it's also going to feature FASTPASS. So Disneyland closed the attraction for refurbishment back in April to make changes to the auction scene, including a new role to the fan favorite Redhead, but they've also installed new wait time signs, FastPass terminals, and made adjustments to the queue. The updated Pirates of the Caribbean is expected to set sail. Let's keep it in theme here. It's going to set sail on June 8th. Now, over on the Diz Today, our featured article, we actually have two of them. The first is a review of the Disney After Hours event by Katie Couric. Not Couric, it's Couric. Yes. So the second is Disney Lingo for Brits by Andy Golding, which is a fun article. Both of them are really good articles, so be sure to check those out at wdwinfo.com. Trending on the boards today is a thread titled, How Will Disney Handle BOG Reservations After the Prefix Change? That was started by poster Mia Mouseketeer. But the M was also capitalized. On the Disney Restaurants Forum. As we know, the prefix menu debuts at Be Our Guest Restaurant on July 27th, 2018, and many guests are wondering how Disney will charge for this meal. For example, will every person who attends be charged the prefix rate, or is it just the individual who ordered it? All that fun stuff. So you lots of speculation, great discussion happening. So if you want to join in on that, you can head over to disboards.com and weigh in with your 2 cents or see what everyone else has to say. Now, it's Friday, so it's the beginning of the weekend here, but we always have lots of content going up, so be sure to stay tuned for stay tuned to our iTunes channel, where you can find episodes of Connecting with Walt, or our YouTube channel, youtube.com/DizUnplugged, where you can find episodes of the Disney Dining Show, and lots more on there. Of course, you can head over to DizUnplugged.com and learn about all the slates of shows that we offer if you do not know already. Where you at? Finally, the weather out in Orlando all weekend. It's looking like more rain, unfortunately. It's just drowning over there. Highs are going to be around 90 all weekend, lows around the mid-70s. Here in Anaheim, it's going to be sunny with highs ranging from the mid-70s today through the mid-80s by the end of the weekend, and lows just around 60. It's still wonderful here, and I love Disneyland. So that's that. For links to everything that was discussed in today's Diz Daily Fix, you can visit the Daily Fix main page at wdwinfo.com/dailyfix. That is going to do it for me today. I'm going to head out into Disneyland Park. I hope to see you guys out there. Have a great weekend, everyone.